Hello and welcome to our Cybersecurity Awareness Series 21. Instagram is fun and filled with pictures, but cybercriminals are using it for social engineering too. They may pretend to be influencers, brands, or even your friends, trying to get you to click on a malicious link or share personal information. One common tactic is sending you a message and saying you won a contest or get this product for free. These messages may look real, especially if they come from a verified looking account, but the links lead to phishing websites designed to steal your login information or credit card details. To stay safe, be cautious of messages from unknown accounts even if they look real. Never click on links without verifying the source and avoid sharing personal or financial details over Instagram. Use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Instagram is about fun and creativity. Don't let cybercriminals ruin it for you.